We have an update to make on our preserve harvest for the coming months and even years. Join me here on Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. Hello, welcome to the garden. It's been a while. I think I haven't been here for 2 weeks. I've been sick. I still feel cold, but I want to give you an update on the garden and of our harvest. How long will our harvest last? Beauty never lasts. Look at these dahlias. They stop flowering and soon they will die. No more flowers. I didn't get the chance to harvest the amaranth. I will clear this next week. No more greens in the greenhouse. Goodbye, ampalayas. And the chayote harvest has been very plentiful this year. One even fell. There was a storm. This is big. Look at that. We have to harvest them and before the frost comes. I'm just happy that the shed survived the storm. I was really scared. I was apprehensive that the roof might be blown away. The location is more exposed than our previous location. Let's change location. Let's go home. Join me there. I'll show you my preserve harvest. So welcome home. In addition to this laurel leaves and the chayotes that we were able to harvest, I've got more. I'm going to show them. This is essentially a freezer tour of my harvest this year. I've got here the beans, frozen beans, different beans, and my favorite, the ampalaya. Look, it's even labeled. We can do that better. Beans. More beans. Now the ampalaya. Frozen ampalaya for my future peanut butter. More ampalayas. I've got chilies as well. Green chilies for my sinigang and some other soup-based recipes. And ampalaya leaves. Look, I even labeled them. Ampalaya here 23. More ampalaya leaves. More ampalaya leaves. And chili leaves. I made a tutorial on the proven way of preserving leafy vegetables for months or even years here. So thank you. I've got to return this quickly to the freezer. Thank you. I hope you've been inspired to grow, freeze, cook and share. Romulo here in Holland. See you next time on the next video.